are you doing is slipping and sliding? Madison!
Whoa. Whoa.
Where are you? Where are you? I don't see you.
Get him, Madison! She got broke Jacob's nose the other day. She was sitting there and Jacob was like tickling her belly or whatever, and she extended her arms, and Jacob's nose had blood in it from her whopping him.
Go get one.
Is Grandma inside?
Yeah.
Go get one, Jonathan.
That way he can still play. You want me to get him one?
Okay.